Guys, I have the perfect homemade trick for you that will make you go hard in just 15 seconds. Okay, you will please yourself and your partner again, and all you're going to do is just go to your kitchen right now and grab a pinch of salt. Then, just do this 15-second homemade trick that is super simple. This homemade trick was discovered by a Harvard scientist, and it has been helping thousands of men to really get a better erection and performance in bed. If you want to know more about this trick, all you've got to do is go to the link in this video description, and there you're going to find the perfect homemade trick video, the one that actually works for thousands of men. Guys, let me tell you a secret. This is the trick that movie stars have been using, and they're able to perform 3 to 4 rounds without getting exhausted. Okay, this homemade salt trick really will help you with your performance. We know the salt trick can be hard to get right, so we created a much simpler solution, Nitrox Pro. It's a practical, powerful way to improve circulation and performance without the hassle. Well, if you want to know more about how Nitrox Pro can boost your performance, don't forget to click the link in this video description while it's still available. Act fast, the stock is running low, and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity.